Hello guys, a lot of people are getting into mining these days and they don't exactly know how to set up a mining rig and what parts they need to use. So I just wanted to do this video about PCIe risers. Well, this is a PCIe riser. The graphic card goes in there. Uh, this connects into the motherboard and this power connector connects to your power supply, just like I have connected one end here into the port. This can also fit into this and this, and this I have connected to the power supply here, and I've done this for all three of my graphic cards. As you can see, I've connected three of the graphic cards, and as you can see on the motherboard there's only two full slots for graphic cards if I wanted to put the graphic cards onto the motherboard. But using PCI, the main purpose of PCIe risers is to be able to connect more graphic cards onto a motherboard and put it on a stand maybe, or anyway possible on a rig. But since there's not enough space on the motherboard, this is what they are mainly used for, to connect multiple graphic cards to a motherboard. Since it doesn't need a full slot, the graphic cards, they'll be able to fit into these small ports as well for mining reasons. If you need, thanks for watching guys. Subscribe, like the video. Thank you.